What is he doing? Is he trying to bite me? I don't know what he wants. I'm scared he's gonna bite me if I let him on here. Why does he want to go on my finger? Because I'm touching him. Where is he? I don't know where he is. I gotta. What happens if I let him? What if he bites me? I'm scared he's gonna bite me. But he likes when I play with his antennas. It makes him want to crawl on me. Makes him want to crawl on me. Look at him, he really wants to crawl on me. Ah. Is he gonna bite me if I let him? If I let him crawl on me? I'm playing with his antennas. Oh, he wants to crawl on me. He really wants to crawl on me when I play with his antennas. He's gonna bite me? I don't know if grasshoppers bite. Do they bite? I don't know if they bite.